Hello, hello everyone. Uh, am I audible? So, as I have told earlier in the class, that I am going to make a video for the remaining chapters of social science, the geography portion. So, in this series of videos, what I would like to prefer say an online class. That here we are going to discuss that chapter 3 of your social science geography. So in the first video of this series, here we will discuss about the Indian geography, which is your chapter 3. You can put your book in front of you, and while watching this video you can go through the book with your eyes in front of you. Okay, the book in front of you. So in this video we will discuss about the two section, which is introduction of India and the location and size. So first we will discuss about the introduction of India, the first page, the first section of your chapter. Then after that we will discuss about the location and size. So first, introduction of India. India is an important country situated in the northern hemisphere of the earth. This country lies in the continent of Asia. So, the continent Asia, which is the largest, right? So this is the map of India. Where is the continent of Asia? See? This is the continent of Asia. And where is India? It is in the southern portion. Okay. So India is an important country situated in the northern hemisphere of the earth. This country lies in the continent of Asia. It is a large democratic country. Yes, our country, India, it is a large democratic country. Yes, you agree with me? Our country is a democratic country where people elect. Yes. So it is full of diversities. Such diversities are apparent due to its variation in climate, physical environment, and socio-economic condition. There is, on the one hand, severe cold climate on the high snow-covered Himalayas. On the other, there prevails very hot climate in dry and sandy desert of Rajasthan. So this is our India, right? So where the snow here in this portion, yes, this portion, just it starts from Kashmir, the Himalaya, yes, Nepal, up to the Arunachal Pradesh. So it is very hot, very cold there, not hot, it is very cold there. But in the western portion, see here, Rajasthan, yes, it is the Thar desert is there, so it is very hot. Then there prevails a very hot climate in dry sandy desert of Rajasthan. Floods are caused due to very heavy rainfall in some places, whereas some suffer from acute. Acute means very small. Acute water shortage due to drought. So Assam, yes, the river Brahmaputra, it is flooded every year. Yes, we receive heavy rainfall during the summer. So everywhere, every year, this Brahmaputra river, it is flooded. This Brahmaputra river, I could not draw the Brahmaputra river. So yeah, so this Brahmaputra river is flooded every year. Same as, yes. But some portion of our country, India, it suffers from acute rainfall, okay, which leads to the condition of drought. Drought means lack of water. The land becomes dry, okay, not able to do irrigation or to say cultivation and all. Yes, so this portion, okay, Gujarat, portion of Gujarat and then Maharashtra, this drought, it occurs often, frequently. Then we used to have these cases of farmer suicide. So floods are caused due to heavy rainfall in some places, whereas some areas suffer from acute water shortage due to drought. There are deep forests with broad-leaf trees. On the other hand, there are regions of thorny bushes without leaf. So the places where there is heavy rainfall, there you will find these broad leaves, okay, and then again another type of leaves which is cone shape. Yes, cone shape, which is we also call coniferous. It is found in the mountain areas, the cold one where the snowfalls occur. And then at the other areas we have this thorny bushes without leaf. So this is found in the Thar desert of Rajasthan. Then what do we have? What variation do we have? So that's why India is a very diverse country. The variation in climate, soil, and vegetations are distinctly noticeable in the high mountains. Yes, in the high mountains to the low-lying regions. So these are the high mountains region. Yes, here also we find. Okay, then what do we find in the low plain? So these are the plain areas. Okay, these are the Ganga plain. So in these areas, okay, we find a variation of climate. Variation means change, difference in climate. The Indian landmass has diversities characterized by various landforms of mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, floodplains. So this would be floodplains. Okay. I misspell it. It should be floodplains. The plains which occur due to flood, or okay, which is carried, the sediments carried by the river, okay, make it the floodplains. Then such physical diversities have also brought about social and economic variation in the country. There are several socially and economically backward societies in some places. So this portion, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Bihar. Okay, we are this portion are the economically distressed people. And then here, okay, we find the northeastern area. That means the eastern part of our country are socially backward or economically backward areas. Against this, some modern urban cities in other places of the country also grow. We also have this metropolitan, right? The Mumbai, okay, Kolkata, Delhi, yes. Then the Chennai, these metro cities we also find in our country. So India is a diverse country. Overall, we can say that India is a very diverse country. Here we find the rich, the poor, difference in climate, okay, different in forest areas. So India is a very diverse country. We also find plateaus. Plateau are here. We have the mountain here. Okay, so let's move to our next section. That is your location and size. So in location, where India is located, we will learn about this. And size, how much big is our country India, we will learn about these two things in this section. So again, see, Asia is the largest continent of the world. India is situated in the southern part of this continent. In the north of it lies the high Himalayas. So where is the high Himalayas? Let's see. So this is the continent Asia. This is the map of the world. Yes. So in the north, okay, it lies the Himalaya and China. So we can find here. This is the map of India. Then somewhere here is China. Yes. You can see here. So in the north of India, okay, what do we have? We have China. This is the Tibet Autonomous Region. Okay. Then in the north, this is in the north. In the south, the Indian Ocean and Sri Lanka. So in the south of India, what do we have? We have this Indian Ocean. Okay, this whole is the Indian Ocean. Just below is the Indian Ocean, and then this is the Sri Lanka. Then in the east, the Bay of Bengal and Myanmar. So this is Myanmar. Okay, this is the border between India and Myanmar. So Myanmar is a country. Earlier it is also called Burma, the Burmese, right? The Burmese invasion that we have learned. So this is the complete map of India. In the east, we have this bay. This is the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and then this is the Myanmar. In the north, we have the China. Okay, and then the Himalaya. Himalaya is here. Okay, then what else? In the east, the Bay of Bengal and Myanmar, and in the west, the Arabian Sea and Pakistan. So this is the Arabian Sea. Okay, and this is the Pakistan. The Indian landmass extends from Kashmir to Cape Comorin. So this is Kashmir. Okay, and this below somewhere here is the Cape of Comorin, where I will show you. Let me rub this one. Okay, you can see here better. This is the Kashmir. Okay, the top one. This is the Kashmir. Then below here Kanyakumari, right? So Cape Comorin is somewhere here. Now this is the south. Okay, the Indian landmass extends from Kashmir to the Cape of Comorin in its north-south extension, and from Arunachal Pradesh. So this is Arunachal Pradesh. So where? This is Arunachal Pradesh. Yes. So from the east to the west extension, this is Saurashtra. This is Saurashtra. Saurashtra is a district in Gujarat. So From the east vast extension we have from Arunachal Pradesh to Saurashtra. This country is located between 8 degree 4 minute 28-second north and 37 degree 17 minute 53-second. So here it will be double dash, okay, 53-second north latitudes. So this is 8 degree north and this is 37 degree north. So India is between this line of latitudes. You know latitudes, this is a wall, yes, this is the equator. So slice of the earth, right? This line is called latitude, which runs from west to the east or east to the west. Okay, the top one is called northern hemisphere, the below one is called the southern hemisphere. Yes, so the 0 degree is the equator. The 0 degree is the equator. So from the top, why it has again came up? Okay, so this is how much? The below one is the south portion of India. Now it is located in the northern hemisphere. That is why the latitude, okay, it is 8 degree north. That means from the equator India is 8 degree above. That means, okay, just above the equator. India is just above the equator. Then how much at the top is 37 degree north. Then now we turn about the east and west longitude. So this is a wall map, wall, okay, think this is a wall. Then some lines it runs from north to south, yes, and the line which is taken as at the middle or 0 degree, that is the prime meridian, which is located in Greenwich, which is in London, okay, that is taken as 0 degree. So 0 degree is in London, and from London, okay, we are calculating those lines, okay, the middle one is London, the middle one, okay, it is 0. Now to the east of London, whichever country to the east of London will be in the east longitude, and the west of the country London will be the west longitude, okay. So India is to the east of London or England, so it is calculated as the east longitude. So that is why we have the E. Clear? Now where is India situated? India is located between, this country is located between 8 degree 4 minute 28-second north and 37 degree 4 minute 53-second north latitudes, and the longitude is 68 degree 7 minute 33-second east and 97 degree 24 minute 47-second east. So this is your 68 degree, this portion, and this is your 97 degree. You can see in the map also, okay. So see this one, and then this corner, that is your 97 degree. Clear? Now this is about the location. It is important to note that 23 degree 30 minute north line of latitude of Tropic of Cancer. So this, see the red line on the map, this one, okay, this is the Tropic of Cancer, and it runs the country midway. That means half this side, half in the southern part. So it is important to note that 23 degree 30 minute north line of latitude, or the Tropic of Cancer, runs through the midway of the country. So this line, okay, you have to remember, very important, 23 degree 30 minute 23 degree 30 minute north line of latitude, that is called what? Tropic of Cancer, and it runs through the middle of our country, and it divides this line, okay, it divides our country into two parts, northern and the southern parts. So the southern part is situated between, see the last line, the southern part is situated between the Bay of Bengal in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. So see, this is the Bay of Bengal and this is Arabian. So it is located between these two, the southern portion. So this is our location of our country, India. I hope you understand. Now let's move to the size. So how big, how vast is our country, or how huge is our country? Let's see. So follow through me. The landmass of India has north-south extension of the north-south extension. Okay, how much? 3,214 kilometer. How much? 3,214 kilometer. So here we can remember. So this is okay. So this much of kilometer, it is from the north to south. That means from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. This length, okay. This length is how much? 3,214 kilometer. So in order to remember this, we can use like 1, 2, 3, 4. Na? So 3 came first. So 3. Then we have this 2. Then we have this 1. Then 4. So you start counting from 3. 3, 2, 1, 4. Easy to remember? Yes? So this is the trick. So this is one of the trick that you can remember, the north to south extension. That means the length, or how long is our country from the this north portion to the southern portion, from the north to the south, from north to the south. Okay, this is how much? 3,214 kilometer, 3214. And the east-west extension of 2,933 kilometer. So the east and west, right? So this is the eastern corner, and this is the westernmost corner. So this length, okay, this is how much? 2,933. You can remember like this. 2,933. This much of kilometer. So approximately you can say how much? 3,000. D. 2,933. India has about 6,100 kilometer long coastline. So coastlines. You know the coastal part, yes? Coastal region, that means which is near to the sea. The area which is near to the sea, okay? That is your coastal areas. And this is the coastlines. That means the line which is at the border of the land and the ocean or seas. So this area, okay, so this area, this is how much? This coastline, it is how much? From the Kolkata, no, West Bengal, up to Maharashtra and Gujarat. So this coastline, the one which is in black in color, okay, on the map you can see which is black in color, that is your coastlines, and it is how much long? 6,100. 6100. How much? 61. There. If you remember 61, just put 00. So this much of kilometer long, the coastlines. So this coastlines along the Bay of Bengal. On the eastern side, it is the Bay of Bengal. Okay, on the western side is the Arabian Sea, and then the Indian Ocean in the south. So this is the Indian Ocean. Now, again, a large number of ports are located along this coast. So you can see this Chennai, right? Lots of ports are there. Okay, Thiruvananthapuram, Panaji, Mumbai is also, you have ports. Then in Andhra Pradesh we have Visakhapatnam, Vizag we used to say, Visakhapatnam. All these are the ports name. Okay, we have a lot number of ports. Like the coastlines, India has also land boundaries with its neighboring countries. So here we are talking about the boundary with the ocean. Now we will talk about the boundary with the land. So this land, okay, land boundary, it is how much kilometer? India has a total of 15,200. 15,200. This much of kilometer. 15,200 kilometer long. See the red line on the map from here. Yes, from the Gujarat, you can see. Let me use blue pen. Oh, yellow, yes. Let me use the K. See? Oh, it is good. See the red line? Okay. This is Gujarat. From Gujarat, we have to go with, here we have the border with Pakistan. Yes. And then if we move to, then we will have the border, the Kashmir. And then we will find here this portion. Okay. Here we have a border with Afghanistan. Then we have border with now China. See, small portion we have border with Nepal. So this is Nepal. Yes. Then we have Bhutan also. This is Bhutan. Then we also have now again come Tibet, China. Then here Myanmar. Okay. And then here it is Bangladesh. So these are the land border. And this length, the red portion, see the red portion, this is how much long? It is 15,200 kilometer long. 15,200 kilometer long. Along Pakistan in the west, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north. So all these are in the north. Yes. And Bangladesh and Myanmar in southeast. So we have this Bangladesh, and here we have the Myanmar. So they are in the southeast. So they are in the east. Yes. So this is the land area, okay, of our country. Our extension from the east to the west, and how much long it has the boundary. So we come to know that India is a vast country. Yes, definitely. Most of the countries, most of the states of our country, okay, it is similar to the country in Europe. And then countries like Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, they are bigger than some of the countries of the Europe. So that is why India can be frequently or seldomly, okay, India is regarded as a subcontinent, but small continent within a continent. In terms of size, okay, in terms of size, it is the 7th largest country. So all around the world, India is 2nd largest country. So the first country, the biggest one, it is Russia. Let's see the world map. See, the biggest one, it is the Russia. Okay, after that come Canada. Canada is the second largest. Then on the third we have the China, fourth USA. Okay, fifth is Brazil, and sixth is Australia. And after Australia came India. Comes India in terms of size. Okay, in the land area. So first is who? Russia. Okay, and then after that, after Russia, let me just write RD. That will be better. First is who? Russia. After that comes who? Canada. And after that comes who? China. CHD. Then USA. So these two, okay, they are comparatively similar in size. So both can be 3 and 4, but you can say that China is bigger than USA. Then on the fourth, what do we have? We have we have on the fifth, that means fourth is USA. Then we have the Brazil, and after Brazil we have the Australia. Then comes India. So if you want to remember, we can use a mnemonic. Mnemonic means short form of remembering all these names, okay, of the long one, making it short. So you know RCC building. So we have the R, Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, Australia, India. So RCC, you buy. You know, this mnemonic you can remember. RCC, you buy. Okay, RCC, you buy. That means, see, you can remember, did you buy RCC? In that way you can, in that sense you can remember. RCC, you buy. You can remember. Okay, this is called mnemonics. Making it short, in order to remember the longer form or lots of things. Okay, or these are tricks, that means. So in terms of India is how much? 7th. So this country is, see here, this country is 13 times larger than United Kingdom. You remember the British that came from the United Kingdom or England or Britain. They ruled India for 200 years. So this is the map of India. Okay, not India, England, and the whole thing, England along with Scotland, Ireland, and Wales. It is called what? United Kingdom. So this United Kingdom is somewhere here. So India is how much? 13 times bigger than this country, United Kingdom, and 9 times larger than Japan. So where is Japan in the map? Here. Did you see? India is 9 times. How many times larger than Japan? 9 times. This is the map of the world. Let's see the map of Japan. See, this is Japan. This is Japan. And India is how much bigger? 9 times bigger than this Japan. So overall, okay, how much big is in India? How much vast is India? It is this much. The area is how much? India has a total area of 3,200, not 3,000, no. Can we say that it is 3 million? Yes, we can say it is 3 million. 3,287,263 square kilometer. So roughly, if we try to say in Indian system, okay, counting in Indian system, then it is how much? 32 lakh 87,263 kilometer. So nearly how many? 32 lakh, okay, square kilometer, or 33 lakh you can say. So in terms of million, okay, you can simply, if the number is too big, you can, in a shorter way, you can remember like this. How much? 3 point where 3.28, okay, million. Oh, I cannot, I have to use like this. 3.82 million kilometer square. So if it is too hard for you to remember, 32 lakh, how much? 87,293. So you can use 2 lakh, or not 2 lakh, 32 million, 3.2 million, 3.287 million square kilometer. So if you write in the exam like this, you will get the mark. If you cannot remember exactly the real figure, right? 3,000, not 3,000, oh, 3 million, 3.287 million, or 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometer. So overall of the earth, now where is the earth? 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 So this is the globe, yes. So overall our country, okay, how much person? See this India. So the total land area of the world, India occupies how much? 2.4% of the total area of the earth. This much percent land area, okay, it is occupied by India. Because of its large size and vast extension, it is called the subcontinent. So you remember, I've told earlier, yes, for this region, India is regarded as subcontinent, a continent within a continent. You can see that Pakistan, okay, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, they are all together, they are all connected. So the Indian subcontinent includes all these neighboring countries of India. India is a large democratic country with 29 states. So this is in your book, okay? 29 states. Let me see. Let me show you the new map. So while your book was written, yes, at that time India had 29 states because of the division of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Before they are one state. It is called Andhra Pradesh. But in 2013, probably, as I remember, it got, what to say, bifurcated. Okay, so Hyderabad city became the capital of Telangana. Then, but again, then with that, it became how much? 29 states and 7 union territories. So union territories, I told you earlier in the class, I think, that union territories are we have states, okay? In the states we have chief ministers, and then in union territories it is directly controlled by the central government. We have two forms of government, yes. One is at the state legislature, and the another is the central government, state government and central government. So union territories is directly governed by the central government through either governor, okay. So in the states we have the governor, So in these union territories, we have the lieutenant governor. LUET. Okay, lieutenant governor. LG. We used to say that LG, lieutenant governor. So whatever order the central government has to pass, they will call the LG, and through them they will give those orders. So these union territories are directly ruled by the or governed by the central government. So these territories are earlier. Okay, earlier we have this Daman and Diu. Okay, then Dadra and Nagar Haveli. So this, they have a very long history. Okay, how they became a part of India before they were ruled by the French, the Portuguese. Okay, so earlier Goa was also not a part of India. Okay, it became a state very lately. Then this Lakshadweep, okay, this is also our union territory. And Andaman and Nicobar Island, this is also union territory. We have got four, na? Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Lan, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Yes. Then another is Chandigarh. We have Chandigarh, okay, union territory. And then Delhi is also a union territory, okay, but with a legislature. So how much we have got now? Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar Island, 1, 2, Daman and Diu, 3, 4, yes, 5, 6. Now we need one more. Yes. The other is, it is Puducherry, okay, or Pondicherry. So these are the 7 union territories. You know the state's name? Yes, it is given on the map also. But later in the year 2019, okay, probably I guess, that Jammu and Kashmir, which is earlier a state, it is turned into or bifurcated into 2 union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir, and the another is Ladakh. So earlier Ladakh was a district of Jammu and Kashmir. So in the year 2019, after the revocation of Article 370, Jammu and Kashmir was divided into 2 union territories, and these union territories, okay, Jammu and Kashmir, it made a union territories with a legislature. That means they are legislature. That means they will have their own, like a deputy chief minister, or a chief minister. They will have a chief minister like Delhi. And then this Ladakh area, it will be a union territory without the legislature or without the state assembly. Legislature means state assembly. So they will not have election there. But in Jammu and Kashmir, they will have the election, or the what to say, provincial election, no? State election. That means union territory election, we will call them. So now with the latest one, it is how many? 28 states and 9 union territories. So in the exam, okay, you have to write this one, not the one in the book. Okay, the book, it became old now. We have to update our geography, our history. So this is all about our country India, its location and its size. I hope you understood. So with all this, I would like to end this session. Thank you for listening. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the class, or you can put your questions in the comment section below. Any technical glitch or any sound glitch, you can mention there. You can give feedback how you feel about this class. So if you have come up to this, I guess you had a very meaningful session. So in the next class, I will bring a topic on physiography of India. There we will discuss about the mountain, the physical features of India, the mountain, the plateaus, the rivers, the plains, okay? Those different types of physical features found in our country. We will discuss about them. So till then, go through the book. If you have any doubt, ask me in the class or in the comment section. And so just like how the other YouTuber says, like it, then subscribe it. And if you have any friends among your circle, you can share it if it is worth it. Okay, so thank you very much. So it is probably like a normal class, no? 45 minutes. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.